Hey Jerry, I think I may be in the market to purchase a new home here in the future. When should I start that pre-approval process? Great question, and one that we get all the time. So let's talk about it here on the other side. Hey all, it is Jerry Kolich here from National Mortgage Center, powered by Stride Bank. And today we're going to talk about one of the most common questions that we get. When should somebody start the pre-approval process? The simple answer to this question, immediately, right away. As soon as you think you may be in the market to buy a home, you're going to want to start the pre-approval process. The reason being, the sooner that we have this information, the sooner we get to go to work. We get to do the research for you so we can provide you with all this information and data so you can make an informed decision on if buying a new home is the best thing for you. When we look at a pre-approval, or we look to get somebody pre-approved, we really look at three things: your credit profile, income, and assets. So, what down payment are you going to be able to make based on what assets you have, and then making sure that we're putting you in a home that you can afford. So we're going to look at your income situation. But the sooner we get that application, we really can dig into your credit, because that's the most things that will pop up early in somebody's pre-approval process. So you'd be surprised at how many times we look into somebody's credit report with them and they will say, I don't recognize that trade line. Or is that something that's authentic? And you'd be surprised at how many times it turns out that yes, it is theirs, but maybe they didn't recognize it the way that it was showing up on credit. Or unfortunately, sometimes we find out that that wasn't theirs, and so we have to start the process of getting that removed from the credit. Another thing is credit scores. You guys know that the higher your credit, the more options that are available to you. So the best interest rates available. And if your loan requires mortgage insurance, you want to have the cheapest mortgage insurance rates out there, which is based on credit. One of the factors is credit. And so the higher that we can increase your credit score, the lower your mortgage insurance rate would be, whether you pay it monthly or upfront. So again, to answer your question of when should we start that pre-approval process, the sooner the better. As always, guys, if you appreciate this content, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and as we put out more information, you get notified. And if you would like to talk to a mortgage loan officer, you can definitely call our 855 number, 855-699-1424, or go to nationalmortgagecenter.com and submit an inquiry there. And as always, here at National Mortgage Center, we are here to help, we are here to educate, and provide you with an amazing experience. Take care.